Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
You know what it is? Tamzubela on the mic. Whoosh, tokolosh. I see you guys were taking some pointers from me.
Our resident thug is here.
Good day, niyeke lento ukuthi ndizanibethisa. Thiyanixwayisa kwenza banisinde phandle apha. That's all I'm saying. Kabahlaka ukuthi ayozasibethisa Tamzubela wena ngale language yakho.
They're really gonna go and do this. That's so wild.
Sifunda sihleka.
It's the best way to learn. Otherwise, ninjani nina apho yazaske sini.
Anike niphendule nina tu saba soko sithi. Papa akekho umuntu akathi, guys, guess how I'm doing.
Wena ninjani fake yakho yayiva into ezinjalo. Akhonto something you've learned that you didn't know before. You know?
Yes, did you get your ticket to the Spotify live session on the 25th of October that's coming straight at you?
Yes, do you know about the Spotify live session?
No, you cannot know about it.
Well, you'll be surprised.
Then y'all need to stop.
Stop with what?
Not knowing things.
Guys, if you didn't know, we're going live with in collaboration with Spotify.
We're having an in-person live.
Yes, on the 25th of October at Victoria Yards. And if you guys want to come, please purchase your ticket at quickets.co.za. And please purchase your ticket now because but we are telling you in time. Show me. And ayazi abantu bayathanda upurchase last minute. Okay, mandiye. Even though befuna ukuya the whole time.
Yeah.
But let's not be those people. Let us be prepared because preparation is the bridge between dreams and reality.
Read that slowly. You can't just sneak in such big thoughts and things. Just sneak it into a sentence.
Okay.
Preparation?
Preparation is the bridge between dreams and reality.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ukuzilungiselela yiblorho phakathi kwamaphupho. Ngamaphupho kanye ngamaphupha.
Amaphupho.
Uphupha iphupho. Between amaphupho. Ne? Oh, and I had it perfectly. Like it's only one word that I'm missing.
Oh, what is reality?
Nobunzalo.
Yeah, basically. Nobunjalo.
Okay.
And so in this instance,
okay.
Xa uthenge itikiti ngoku, wena into oyenzayo wakha iblorho.
Yeah.
In between dreams zakho zokuba udibane nathi. And lo broho is going to make you ba ukwazi udibana nathi wenze reality. Ayiwa chomi.
Man. Dreams, reality.
Yes.
Preparation.
Yes.
Yeah. Uske wayenza ngoku wena. Ibroho. Ngoku funeka uwele imilambo. Nile uyayiva ke mhlawumbe uke crocodile ke ngoku ibroho iyashota ininji.
I'm tired of working in this.
Don't be tired of working here. And you know what it is? Scenario net theme ke dress code, dress code.
I don't know. We're telling her we haven't spoken about this.
I've decided to call it dress code. It's come as you are.
No!
What?
I'll rap for you.
What do you mean? Thini ke? Yenze bakuthukwe wena. Abantu besithi uyaphaphana uTalita. Sifuna uzizela thina. Jibu usinxibe shorts and shades.
It's dark outside. Everyone in the audience is wearing shades.
Do you go to theme things? Sorry.
I haven't been invited to one in a long time. The only theme thing I won't go to is an all-white party.
What?
Because it doesn't
shades
dance.
of shades of pastel. Yeah, go nude. Yeah, go color blocking. Shalom.
And do you know?
Ungaya.
Yeah,
Is my question. Oh, okay, cool. All right.
But
you don't feel like it's too much. You don't feel like it's too much. No, man.
Into a proper.
No, I'm hosting a braai. I'm hosting a birthday party. I'm hosting a a picnic.
Yeah, I like themes.
Don't. Is it? Oh, okay, that's cool. No, I'm actually. I'll do a theme.
I know you will.
Yeah, I'll definitely do a theme. Like as a person, I like. I mean, I was dressed like. What was I dressed as?
Like a disco king.
Yeah, disco king. Dandiki 40, and then there was also another one. Danding Goku.
I never saw that.
Yeah, and Pikachu. And like, dog, we were dressed for that thing. And Coach Rama Freddie Flintstone.
That's so cute.
Yeah, it was very, very. And his fro was Tinkerbell and Chalonjalo for Barbie.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, like people really like.
Put
costume.
Yeah, any costumes you can't. And this is another thing.
Costumes
like,
gone.
You just have to find a costume place, and then you'll find what you want.
Yeah.
But kukho abantu ababhoxayo umuntu aqomba yena ozonxiba
cool. Too cool.
I don't know if it's being cool or if it's actually people being insecure and scared.
No, it's being cool because when you ask them, they're like, yes.
Yeah, but that could be insecurity.
Then nobody talk on top of that because the why ungacho but we're friends, man. Guys, let's normalize being honest, man, and being transparent ngabantu.
To do things outside of their comfort zone.
It's fine alone but the sister yako. What are we doing? Sensandon? Cool. Come on, bro. But anyway, so okay, Londole. And what we do want you guys to do, right, is to pull up there, looking fresh, looking clean.
So I think your theme.
Yeah, I think your theme. Yeah. But
and if you have any ideas also.
Hey, you booked that theme about 2 minutes ago.
And I'm not Goku. That's why I'm asking for ideas. You shooting me.
So what we do have though is something from one of the friends of Sibling Rivalry that will help you in your quest to pull up there looking fresh and looking clean. So have a look at this and you can represent yourself in the most beautiful way possible. Shout out to Walk Fresh. You are the first guys to have put up an ad within the Sibling Rivalry space. So, okay, here's to many, many more.
Sneakers go through a lot, from school runs to weekend grooves to Sunday visits. Running out of solutions again? Introducing the all-new Walk Fresh Sneaker Cleaning Shampoo.
Thanks, Mom.
750 mils of pure sneaker cleaning power. Big bottle. Great value. Clean kicks for the entire family. Get yours today. Available online and at selected retailers.
Why do you tell me nothing?
Forgot, man.
Okay. Oh, we got an ad. You're asking so much. Well done, Walk Fresh. Just a reminder, if now and if you advertiser, talk to us. So
there we go. Hundreds. So good.
How's your
week? That's me. That's my bridge between dreams and reality.
How's your week been?
All right, man. We were last here. What happened between the... What else have to think about what actually happened? Weekend, Yamijan. My weekend was quiet. I went for... no. Well, we're in the last week, final weeks of Cape Town marathon training. So that's what I'm really going to talk about. Because that's what my life consists of.
Are you going in Denzel?
And I did some other activities to do with certain things that I want to do.
Cryptic much?
No. And I cancelled my 40th.
Why?
I don't know. I couldn't, I don't know. I don't know. I froze. The end of freeze. And it turned attention.
Akokufreeza kaloku if you're gonna cancel something.
Ndifrizile kaloku because now it's like, hey mtshana iyenzeka le week kanye yenzeki, and then you're like, okay ke no skingenzeki. Freeze it.
Can you unfreeze it? I mean, can you
I don't know. I don't know.
When did this happen?
On Sunday. On Sunday.
Makes me a little sad.
Yeah, well.
Afunini masiyenze.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Is it just the attention thing that's worrying? Is that it?
I don't know. It's the attention thing. It's the money thing. It's like, number of things. And it's just like, also, guys, how do you guys navigate? Okay. Here's a question for you guys. How do you guys navigate the guest list? If you are doing something, how do you navigate a guest list? How do you know about loans I'm invited, oh, loans I'm libala, the phone, certain things, they just become a lot for me. And I'm really sitting and I think to myself, okay, sure, is this like truly, truly, truly necessary? I think out of necessity. And then I get there and I'm just like, too many things. And then defreeze.
A birthday party is never necessary.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, but
I don't know.
But it's nice to celebrate milestones.
Yeah, fair. It's I don't know, bro. There's just too many things that need to happen in the background. And I'm just like, not me.
Not me.
The
example.
I can't make a real example.
You just feel someone.
You're right. I can't just feel hey, no, bani, hey, don't know. It just becomes, and overwhelmed. I got overwhelmed.
So what,
And
are you
then
going to cancel your wedding
flight.
because of the guest list as well?
No.
Because you're dealing with the same thing.
I didn't cancel this thing because of the guest list. The guest list is only part of a whole bunch of things. Do you know what I mean?
Mm.
So, but it's something that I feel like guys can help with in terms of giving their thoughts and their opinions in terms of how do you navigate a guest list, which is just one out of 10 moving parts. Yeah, well, so, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not even supposed to be talking about this because I'm thinking everyone else must be Volneys except me. But now here I am, and it's a sensitive issue, man. But anyways, here we are. This is why people don't say things. Now you look so concerned. You put a cold fish. Don't look concerned. I'm telling you how my week was. It's fine. There's nothing to be concerned about.
I don't know how you guys are. It's
What do you
like... No, because I had someone tell me something and I reacted, I think, extremely appropriately. But this person was like, Manuela.
Oh, Kunda Kind.
No, not even. But I reacted with what was necessary for the situation. And then this guy was like, wow, and I'm like, ufuna ndini? Must I just be stone cold? Stone cold Steven. I'm gonna carry on with life, but in this moment, I'm feeling some type of way.
But now this is my thing, right? And I feel some type of way. Now you're making me feel worse. Can you appreciate that?
Okay, fine, I can appreciate that. Would you feel better if I had no reaction at all?
Oh, I'm such a reactor for
So I have to have a fake reaction.
Hey man, I don't know, bruh. I don't know.
It's such a strange thing.
I don't know. Oh man, I hate it. I hate not knowing. Oh. And that's also something that I discovered. I'm a solutions-driven person.
Yes.
And I can't stand not having a solution. That doesn't, first of all, I realize that does not exist in my brain. Not having a solution, not having, like I exist ilondole. I think that takes from like my optimistic side. But now in certain situations, you find Guti, get there and you're like, and then I just feel stuck and trapped, and then
because
just
uyazi uba
retreat.
mawuthini.
Yeah. Then indeed, flight, not fight. Yeah, it's weird. I did a lot of discovering in the past week.
Mhm.
That's how my week was. How was yours?
Fine.
Mm-mm.
It was fine.
I was just glad about Christine for Neil Chap.
Hey, Bishop.
To bring context to the story.
No.
Okay. Was telling a sad story. Something sad that had happened to him.
It wasn't sad. Okay, so he gave me something, right?
Yeah.
And then it was so sweet. And I was like, oh. And that was the first point of contact. And he was like, and he was just like, oh, Manuela, stop making such a big deal. And I was like, but I'm appreciating it. It's sweet, you know? And then a few days later, I sent a picture of the thing and I was like, oh, just looking at this makes me like automatically smile.
The thing.
The thing.
Oh.
And
Show
then,
me how to
does it matter?
Yes.
Why?
Of course.
But that's not the point of the story. So then I sent a message. I think it's all. I see, this thing making me smile. Just also as a way of engosi, thank you. Like, thanks. But yo, Galile. And I was like, oh. So am I not supposed to express how I feel about the thing that you gave me that makes me feel good?
I know fair. Fair. I guess it's just from my side. It comes from a place of not being able to
Accept it.
not even accept it, but not knowing how to respond to it.
Exactly. And that's exactly what he said. What's about and that's Mamantini.
Yeah.
When you're like making a big deal of something, and I'm like, if it's a big deal in my world,
Sure.
and
And that's directly got to do with you. This is the whole thing, because unike wena lendo, that's directly got to do with you. It's not like ukuxelela about afundini fumene i-raise emsebenzini ngoku wena yamomothing. Incinga la raise yakho because then you're like, ufuna ndoni, do you know what I mean?
No.
So that's fair.
Yeah, so I mean, we had quite a conversation about it, and at the end of the conversation, it was like, "Andazi mama ndizithini mna."
Yeah, because I'm not outlet now. Tumela thina.
Yeah, but then it's dismissive when you say to someone, "Oh, qalile."
No, and iphikisi londo.
And
we
I
are just trying to find out now, mhlawumbi noba yenzwa londo le, because also you're like you're sitting there and you're like, kunyanzelile ba mawunikele wena. What am I supposed to just take it and shut up? Like what? What do you want me to
Sharp.
do?
Even the way Anike yona, it was I was just like, what's going on here? I was like, yeah.
Oh, uyakufuna.
This is not the point of the story. Please put your Africa focus.
sorry.
Eye on the prize, please, buddy. And so I was confused because I didn't know about we are nika nje okanye
Spare.
spare. You know, like something that they already have. That's exactly how it was.
I've won ticket to travel.
Exactly. That
Wapiwe, like what's happening? What
what a taffy.
Okay, clash will take you.
You
went out your way while
to
you're
buy it for you. Do you know what I mean? So Ngoku ndi lost, right? So and I'm like, oh, I have so many questions. And I asked about uzopambana ngezi questions aqoba highway too.
I was going for a sap.
Exactly.
No more.
Buyer of the So nabuzba. Uyithatha le way. Hayi bensendaweni ethile. Ndayibona then ndaqoma manje ndikuthengele. And I was like, that is the sweetest thing ever. Ooh.
Hardcore.
Yo.
Hardcore.
Angathi andazi ndimenza ntoni. And I was like, this is such a strange reaction from someone who's giving you something. As if bebengafuna ukunika or Or you asked for it, like, I asked for it, and then
It's like a
eventually,
grudge purchase.
yes, now it's a grudge purchase, but it was nothing. It was just someone thought of me and bought me something, and I appreciated that so much. Why appreciation?
What a hardcore sweetie.
That's literally the definition.
It's a hardcore sweetie. But yeah, it is what it is.
We need to find out what it is that makes you guys feel uncomfortable in those moments.
Look, I mean, I think it could be a combination of things, right?
Mm-hmm.
And maybe sometimes it's just like, yeah, but I mean, because there's a lot of things that we also sit there and we're like, yeah, but this is what I'm supposed to do.
I think that's also a part of it.
This is what I'm supposed to do. Like, it has been made to be normal. Yeah, understand?
So the gratitude is then uncomfortable because you're like, boo.
Yeah, understand?
I'm supposed to do this.
Yeah, or you've always felt like it's one of those things that are put on you as a man. Yeah. Or sometimes, according to you, like, sometimes you feel like you should be doing more. And go, so I mean, like, relax. Also, why are you so happy? Insignificant, because what, you don't believe that I can do more? Like, I'm telling you sit and you sit with that thing and you think about it, and there's so many avenues. Just like there's like there's so many avenues when it comes to all things that we find ourselves react unexpected. It comes from somewhere. So it could be many reasons. Yeah, well, could be come on for now and then a week. Come on.
So strange.
Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Yeah. So,
okay.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it could be one of those things.
No, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
And it was Tata's low list in this to bring up. Think about.
Don't do that.
Why?
Must do their own thinking. Don't come and suggest childhood traumas to me. You're not going to get far. Maybe
No, but I did suggest one, and it was spot on.
Close.
And
Okay.
he was so
shocked.
shocked
Nice.
that, firstly, that I could think of it that deeply. It was a very small thing, that I could think of it that deeply, but also how right I possibly could be, and that he's
Could be
never
onto
thought about
something.
it. Yeah, for sure. But it's also, I know it's a thin line between prescribing and
Yes, because
Yeah.
xhomekeka emntwini
Yeah.
also, because other people are not. I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that. It's called self-awareness. Awungeni ndawo kuyo, khawundiyeke. You know what I mean?
I guess.
Yeah. So not everyone is into that. Not everyone is into looking at those,
For sure.
you shining a light into those corners of their lives. You know what I
Yes, and maybe not at that time. Maybe in 3 months it'll be
Yeah,
fine, but
correct.
not right now.
mean? Yeah.
Yeah, and there's nothing more annoying than when somebody digs deep for you and you're not ready for
Yeah,
it.
maybe 10. But my fee. Hey, all at wako.
Leave me
Yeah, come
alone. Delete my
But
number.
yeah, but-
Pretend like you never
Yeah,
knew me.
but I think it really just depends on where you are as a person.
Yeah,
you know
for
what
sure,
I mean?
for sure.
And we don't talk about that.
Yeah.
That's one thing that we don't talk about. Even if you were to go out on a date or whatever, you meet someone, we don't talk about where we are as people. We talk about our favorite colors. What we like movies. Jackie Chan. You know?
Netflix.
You know, what
Chill.
do you do? You know, do you
Content.
own your own Netflix or someone paying for you?
Ask no one ever.
How can it be logged in?
On the first date.
I want to find out if you've got room for me in your life.
Okay, the password. There's a list of people waiting in line.
You understand?
But that's a difficult thing to talk about. Now, where are you in your life?
Absolutely.
If someone asked me that, I wouldn't know how to answer that.
What do you mean?
I'd be like, in terms of
in terms of you as a person, your personal growth, your journey in life, you know, how do you see the world?
Through my eyes.
What do you want to talk about? Oh no.
That's a bit deep on the deep end of the pool, though.
Indon,
Yes, on the first date round was my personal growth.
what should I be asking you on a first date?
Why did you and your last ex break up?
No. And then if you're the villain, then you're gonna lie. Yeah, of course. No, and you know that's toxic. But I've since learned from that. Well, exactly.
You should be asking questions like, what is your relationship with all my chonisa? So, do you have...
That's wow. You don't want to talk about where you are, but you want to talk about where you are financially. Oh no, what? Oh, funny. That I actually think that's okay. So Pete demanding out, then Pete the first date party.
Exactly, so don't prescribe to us, mas no kale ndo nge first date. What no kale sindo wena nge first date yakho?
Yayikhona into about where you are. Yayikhona into where you are. Because I mean, really, if you really sit down and you think about it critically, what is there to talk about, Nyan? What is there to talk about? Where are you? How do you see the world? How do you view the world?
Such a broad question, also.
With you, which means it gives you plenty to talk about. You're not boxed now. You don't have to talk about something specific. You can talk about whatever comes to your mind first when someone says, how do you view them? Man, you get to express yourself. Espresso. Hey, you are selling them on the podcast. Because we hate talking about and the question that we should ask ourselves is, whenever something is happening and it makes you feel uncomfortable, or you uti make up your mind to say I hate that's a sign that we should be asking ourselves why. Why does it make you so uncomfortable? That's the question that we should be living with, rather than why does it irk you so much? Into only phazamisayo ngilento yenza by spirit sakho singahlali kahle. That's what we should be asking. But hey man, that's just me, bro. We're not all the same. Because also we don't go on dates for the same things.
No, for sure. But also these questions are telling. No matter how a person answers it, it's a window, it's an open window to seeing into who they are.
Right.
Somehow. Yeah. More than what's your favorite color?
Funny. Talking about clothes or things that I like.
Even that answer is more telling, actually. But for sure, depending on how someone answers a question, especially a broad question like that, you can kind of see what is important to them.
Correct.
Depending on which part of the question they've decided to answer.
100%. And you can quickly make a decision.
I
always feel like we run away from asking those kinds of questions. A, because we're uncomfortable answering them. But B, also you're like, hey, ndisafuna manu enjoy ixesha naye. Ngoku umuntu uza kuxelela uba I see the world like women must provide. Yeah, now I'm like,
yeah, exactly. You're just like, oh. You're like, I had 3 more dates in me, bro. Now you have to mess it up. Now I have to leave and I don't want to. Oh, no.
Yeah. And then when I get dates, it's a vicious cycle that we also kind of like to participate in.
It really, really is.
Acting as this is a victim. Okay, that's good anyways.
You have a lot to say.
Let me tour. That's what I can do.
I mean, yeah, true. I saw this story, I think last night, where this lady had a list of things that she'll never do again in like relationships. And one of the things she said was I will never be completely on the surface all the time. And I feel like that's how I was. And then I spend a long time getting beneath the surface. And by the time I get beneath the surface and the things that I don't like live there, I'm now looking back at time spent and I got nini lapha, andizamile.
Dala ngisukile apha.
Yeah, but I mean, people think like that for the most part. But I've been here for a year, bro. I can't go that bad, lo mntu. And that's how you live with things that you don't like.
After 5 years, then you're just like, well, nearly 5 years is fine. I would rather die than to be again. And you've just like, you've done that yourself.
Exactly. Uthi lo mntu wakhe used to borrow money from her every month. Every month.
Hmm?
Why you feel like you're that person who borrows money from someone every month?
Don't.
Then why did you react like that?
Because that's just like every month is a while.
Then I'm part
And all is right. Don't boleke imali.
Then I'm part
Also, I'd never ask my partner for money. Boleke my shit in. Also, hi, boleke my shit in. Yeah, you boleke my shit in.
What if umntu wakho?
Andikhalelanga noba umuntu wami uSol Kesna. Iboleke amajiteni.
Why?
Sorry. That's just me.
And then, but not only
Kenyanga.
Kenyanga is mean, you surely are like, Aibo. Kenyanga is 6.
The blame another girl.
Of course, and this is the thing. She wasn't blaming him at all because she was just like, he asked, I gave. I had the option to not give.
And we are boyisa.
But not only.
Oh no.
But not only aboleke from yena. Also, uyaboleka nakomashonisa. Kenye imini wafonelwa ugirl ngumashonisa. Esithi ba, yey, ubulo mntu wakho. Exactly. Then she offered to pay for it, whatever. But there were so many financial things that she did that were like ridiculous. Like if you hear them for the first time, you're like, why would you do that? Mm. And she was literally like, I've written them down as a list so that like I'm serious. Like I don't want to do these things anymore. Noba kufike ihange umhlaba endazi ndithanda kakhulu. It doesn't matter because sometimes we go with the way we feeling about ourselves when somebody presents themselves in a certain way to us and you go, oh, I didn't really feel that I was worth that. So then you give too much of yourself because you're just like, oh, I can't believe banu lapha.
Then you realize one day, but awuyuzwanga.
Uziyuzile.
Because I don't feel void.
Oh, 100%.
It's like a conversation I was having. And it's just like, it started off so, like, I was just asking him, he does really well at work. Mm. So I was just asking him, yeah, I'm China, you're doing so well, you know? And he's just like, no, I go over and above. What is required. And we just had a conversation about how in corporate, like, and the people that get ahead are the guys that go over and above. You do the bare minimum. Yeah, you get paid, cool. But your things just take longer. You understand? It's like every problem, their problem. You understand?
And you're like,
and I'm about average, but man, understand. Woo, what's that?
Making yourself shine.
You understand?
As shiny.
So you understand, and but then we kind of had a chat in terms of how the result of that, right, plays out in corporate. Mm. But then we had a chat also about like the whole relationship thing and what it is that you're attracted to, and how that plays out. So let's say, for example, so I made the analogy, or I relate the analogy rather, of people who when they get together, it's like nitibana so, right? And not so, right? In that way, I mean, Uguti, what I'm attracted in, what attracts me to you is the void in me that you seem to be filling, right? What attracts me to you is not how great I think you are. It's ba ikona inito isevisai, right? And very often when two people get together, it's because you've got a void that I'm able to fill, and I've got a void that you're able to fill, right? Just like, let's say, for example, abantu aba umntu mhlawumbe uzothandana nomuntu o controlling, for an example. Lo mntu lo ufumanisa ba wena as utalita, you bantu aba controlling when you're just like, whatever bro, ngene down ke yonke lonto le. But that's because that's not a void that you have. You understand? But umntu onayo lo void, it's fine. And I get along nomntu wakhe, kungabikho nix, bathandane futhi strong. And that then becomes like a thing whereby you never get to work on that thing. As now umntu controlling, I never get to work on that. If I'm with you and you're accepting of that, or that's a void that you have, I never get to work on it. And I go through life like that.
Thinking you're fine.
Correct.
Yes.
So just
because
like
I'm making you happy.
Yes, just like yena unendo ba, I just want to feel needed. Right? And now we are need lo mntu bozungcela imali. So therefore,
Ina.
which doesn't help any of them.
No.
Because lo is not stopping to be needy or use abantu. Lo, she's not stopping to feel like iworth yakhe is in her ekupicweba. So it just becomes a mess like that. Whereas we're supposed to essentially then be filling those voids or helping each other to get out of those spaces. To just be like, no, I feel like this is gonna be a bad example. I feel like problems will solve ngemali when I never get any of you. I said no one. Because now umntu akaxoxa kwinto
Uthi ina.
in which is something that we're supposed to kind of do. But I mean, as people can see, we've got our own reasons why we do certain things. But just as an example, for like, I feel like solo mali. No, should be able to ask I feel like unimali now for like
I need your time and your energy. And but like,
yeah, and that's the point that we never get.
Yeah, no, of course.
End of story.
Yes. But ultimately,
correct. But do you? That's another thing. Because maybe you're right, because now I'm putting myself at risk. Because now you must open up to me. What must I do? I must open up back. Trauma. Even worse than speaking about trauma. Now I have to heal. Oh no, please. Now I have to move past that. Now I have to forgive Bani. Oh, give me a break.
Yeah.
All to our detriment, unfortunately. But yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a tricky thing, man.
It is a tricky thing.
All which can be answered by sitting across someone and say, how do you see the world?
There's a cherry. Okay.
Via, you see, via. You can avoid the world of boredom. The world of heartache.
Disappointment.
Money, we are saving money. Yonke into nanga. Kutwa the best time to get off a train is when you realize bandikweli train wrong. Because the more it stops, the more it's gonna cost you to come back.
That's such a good one. I've never heard that one before.
Yeah, ndibeke ngenye indlela efani number. Bayibeka ngendlela khona indlela bayibeka ngayo nice. Yeah, it's like a saying it. Banyanyanyan. Problem yethu so sibona ukhwela train wrong uqombe. Abantu bakule train. Avla bakubona umpeli.
Bawulaqava.
Hamba ki train ke.
Yeah,
Park station.
but when ufuna ubakhulu. Ufuna ubakhulu. Ufuna uthi, "Hi, where's the train going?"
Don't want to be a party.
No.
Ibe lilahleke nonke kwelo carriage. Then inokwehla nonke
But
kwelo carriage.
ultimately, you're the final boss, Barry, because ngoku uya kwindawo uzawuba late kule ndawo uya kuyo. You're gonna have to pay more to come back.
No.
You're gonna have to ask someone at some point.
Correct.
Anyway, kodwa ufuna uba cool.
Correct. Cha wena ufuna uvela pha xa kusitwa. Oh hayi ke sisithi sokugqibela uhlala. Ajika ngomso. Bonke ufuneka ubhuya accommodation ePretoria. Tinti. Bro. Kapha xa usithi tyhini nana chomi yakho uhlala cawuko iyalahleka nayo siyalahleka sonke. Kanti why are we here?
Yeah.
As close people and loved ones, why are we here? Sikholo ndoni, guys.
Close for what?
Yeah, man,
What are we getting? What are we close to?
Close to Lonchana. This is what we do so well.
Yeah. Very true.
Yo. Yeah. All of this from someone giving you a gift. Hi guys, I need more nganda nani. The whole episode.
Abangandi. Yafanele basikhwela itrain sonke siyalahleka. Everyone's quiet. What the hell?
I want to see. I want to see something. I want to see before this moment right now, who in the comments is going to be like, guys, what's happening? And if no one says it,
oh, what a beautiful way to explain something that is in Ringa Sonke la. That's what community is about. Also, people with the same interest.
yeah, man. Guys, I don't know. I just think let's just try in all places in our lives. Just try and not. I won't say try and not get on the wrong train because that's inevitable.
Yeah.
Train wrong was
But when you're on the train,
but
and
when
you
you're
know
on the
it's
train, so that we realize as quickly as possible if it's the wrong train. Because also what that thing of being on the wrong train does to us is it either makes us stay on the train too long or it sends us izibone train zidlula singazikwili. Because you're sitting there and like, hey, maybe train wrong. Maybe train wrong. Ibhaliwe train city start. When umuntu umuzwa nobody's here down. Understand?
girl.
You understand?
Yeah.
It causes two things. Of us to either not get on the train or to get on the train, sit.
Yeah. Not get on the train out of fear of getting on the wrong train.
Guys, people are on the wrong trains all of the time.
Yeah. 100%.
All the time. Anytime you're on a wrong train, look around. Ukhona nomnye umbani.
Awedwa.
And oyena muntu usindayo ngulo okwazi ubusa. Ngoyena muntu usindayo aqhashe ngolo. Kuthiwe wo buti Rosebank ikhwela kla platform. Yabona ubusiya OR Tambo wena.
Exactly. That's a good lesson, man.
Yeah, we owe it to ourselves. Why? Because bayeka abanye abantu. You owe you. Uyazi owa. That's the whole thing. Uyazi owa. Oh man. I feel like I'm talking to myself.
That's good. Doesn't feel good. It feels uncomfortable.
Now I have to heal.
Boring. Who wants to heal?
This is the thing. Yeah, bro, we hate ourselves so much.
No, we do.
We don't realize how much we owe ourselves now. We owe ourselves a good time. That's what we do. But mihla nezolo ubusuku nasemini we are working against this good time that we owe ourselves. What? Baby? What? Asimiyekeni umvumela usathana anxibe shorts and shades ebomini bethu. That's what I'm saying.
I mean, he'll always be wearing the shorts, but angibe shades.
Kin. Jonge ngapho kwezizathu. Ata goduke naye ba hayi wena girl. Hayi girl, I'm at Atlanta.
Uthini kuhendile but hayibo. You've taken over now.
Oh, we has a hand down. What am I supposed to be doing? Man, let's just be kind to ourselves, man. Let's just be kind. Let's just be as kind to ourselves as we are to other people. That's the real answer.
Yeah. There's 10 minutes left of this episode. I just want CP. Let me tell you about my week.
Sure.
So, I moved last week, right?
Yeah.
And acclimatizing, ebusuku xa usiva isounds ongazaziyo. No. The echo.
Get more furniture, girl.
So someone was asking me yesterday, but have you met your neighbors? And I'm like, actually, no, I haven't seen
Who does that?
anyone. No, but like, no, it's just quiet.
Oh, go.
Yes, I just see sometimes there's more cars than other times when I see no one.
Oh, no, I haven't seen people.
No. Right? So I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. And I'm like, and it's fine, we do. Then what? Yeah, and it is fine because, people can be in your business. Usazifikela. Oh, what are you eating? Oh. And I was like, yeah, that's annoying. That's so annoying. I want to keep out of your business. And then they get used to your patterns. And then when you change your patterns, why you go to the gym? You're just like, hey, Diego.
Soon keep an account.
Don't give an account because no quasi. Whatever. But then eventually we got to a place where we were like, community.
Yes. Yeah.
Siyayibaleka ngenyawo zombini.
Clean.
Up is down. Where we just like, the less they know about me, the better. Yeah. Which is why people can be, passed away in an apartment for a week. Because akhomntu kwazi uba ukhona, awukho, uyagula, awuguli, like nothing. At all, right? Which is a little bit scary. And there's like, anyway, so eventually we got to a place where kutheni sibaleka kangaka community.
Miss. Teacher. Dadala, teacher Boraki.
Yeah, because Zuko's always answering. And all these other idiots in the class.
No, go ahead.
Always quiet.
Oh, that is so interesting, man.
Yeah, and so, I mean, what we were talking about was how sometimes community can be like intrusive, where you're just like, hey man, I don't know you like that. So, oh no, ngicela 1,000 rand. Like, come on, bruh.
Okay.
Sometimes community can just get in your business in a way where you just feel uncomfortable. You're just like, bruh, like, I'm not inviting you to my braai. Like, mhlambi ndine braai apha. Afika ummelwane athi, "Aw, ngiyabraai afika hlale phansi." You know what I mean? And you're just like,
ice.
Exactly. Then we started talking about what community outside of Esfletini looks like and how people are in each other's businesses in Masites Lokshini or whatever, where the communities, I don't know, somehow it feels closer. And how annoying that can be. And then when you leave there, uzohlale down, you're just like, thank God I don't have to deal with that. And you build this bubble around you and you go, I'm done. Because you've got bad experiences of people forcing their way into your life somehow just because, or whatever reasons that people use, talking about you, whatever it is. But then I'm like, it doesn't make it a good thing anyway.
No.
What we've done is then we've called that having boundaries. And what it is getting rid of community. But see,
it's not. I don't even think it's having boundaries, bro.
Yeah, well, but that's what we've called it.
Yeah. Siqokile.
Yeah. So what do you think it is?
Siqokile. It's like, then on the flip side of the coin, you have umntu okhulele in a community, right? Umntu okhulele mhlambi wherever ke indawo esizaziyo ze community esikhulele kuzo lokishini. And umntu axeba asoze ndiphume. now I wouldn't be alive if I wasn't able to go next door. If there was no one who was helping me, holding me, no. And that I feel like to a certain extent, Snayo Indo Etiba, we don't need anyone. Which is why we don't meet our neighbors. We don't no. Which is actually bad for us. Because as people, I feel like that social aspect. And in that, you can still, we don't want to also draw those boundaries to say, melwane. Because you'd rather utini, because we take the easy way out. I just don't answer your phone. Right? Dala, you had to learn the skill of drawing boundaries to say, man, chonga. Because sometimes that's what makes you respond.
Yeah.
Which is a bad thing, because we now have just moved to a place where we don't want to do things that we don't feel like doing. Now I have to smile. Now I have to be nice. Now I have to do all of these things. We don't want to do those things anymore. I feel like what we want to do, Tina Ngogo, is we want to follow how we feel. And that completely nullifies the community. Because the community I am being about
it's a responsibility that you have. And your responsibilities don't care about your feelings.
They don't care about your feelings.
Yeah.
And also, how well you are also doesn't care about your feelings. And because very often what we're doing is, when we follow our feelings, we are taking ourselves to worse places than better places. To be honest, because we don't address things. If I feel like, oh, Talitha, that's not teaching me to be able to be like, Talitha girl, what's happening? When's it going? Anayo imali, if that's the truth. Now you can't even live to the fact that anayo imali. That's why in the credit card 88,000. Hey, suka kote. Yes, man, daddy owe 200,000 in the credit card. I go to hey, like Marcela But anyways, so I think it's us running away. It's us running away from the true essence of actually becoming better. I think that's what it is. Now, because now when you don't know your neighbors, no one needs to depend on you for anything. You are not answerable to anything. We are pilela nje. We are pilela. Ngathi sasa ghost town fika nalandi bhamba. Uyilando. What are you when you're that?
An island.
You're an island. And no man is an island. We islands. Sifuna uphila is island. But we're not. That completely goes opposite to a lot of things. So yeah, it's actually quite scary. It's scary, yani. Benithetha ngayo.
Yeah, no, 100%. And yeah, I mean, just to finish off, because hello episode. There are instances where you just feel like lo mntu ngokuthatha advantage lo mntu in your community, and you're just like, bruh, come on. And so what you need to do then is to be like, bro, I don't appreciate xa usenza into ethile nethile. Ngoku lo mntu is going to be upset, abe hostile, angakubulisi anymore. Let's just say that's an example of one of the ways that could be handled. And then you then end up just feeling bayekile bonke abantu because philisa kako ngoku.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
No, it's not.
No, I'm saying it's okay for that person to have that reaction just because you have set up a boundary.
Yes. People are people. Man.
Yeah.
Sometimes. You understand? But now my thing is now, because of thinking that it might end up that way, you close yourself off to all the 99 benefits of having a community that you benefit from directly. You close off your own lindawo, awunandawo obeka ishiqo. Like that's very important. Oh.
No one can accept your delivery when just because ngenye mina awukho.
Simply because of someone who couldn't accept a boundary. Now you must suffer. Because that's what it is. You're suffering because of someone who couldn't accept a boundary or interpret a boundary. Is that even worth it for you? Umntu ongakukhathalelanga at all, owayesquatter no squatter, you're next. You're suffering now.
Yeah.
You are going through it all the time and you don't even know you're going through it. But you are. Yeah, sales better, man, guys. I think sales better. Oh, kwafuneni next so uviki.
Uyamazi banguviki boss. Uyothini ke? Uyothini? Hi Viki unjani kule week?
Ayo. Anqondo bangandazi bangathibana na town mall so nama nomazi. Omazi lo muntu lo. Anamazi nam. Anamazi. At all. You understand? Wow. Yeah, this is a good chat.
This was a good chat.
Yeah. Sacela uyiname ke le episode.
Not me, bro. You're the one who brought up all these problems.
But okay, before we go in the last minute.
The causeness of it all.
Dog. In the closeness of it all.
Oh, hey.
Last time sathetha ngamahlelo ezibizo zesiXhosa. Wenza wena u1 no1A. U1 wayengu
Umuntu.
Yes, ne? Umntu no2 abantu. Ne? And then because I'm gonna mess this up so bad.
Let me see.
I should have just said no just in the episode. Oh man.
Senze u2 u1 no1A.
Yeah.
And u. And then u2 ngu aba abe aboni. Aba abantu. Abefundisi. AB aboni.
Okay, so ngu-AB lo.
Ngu-AB.
U2.
U2.
Yeah.
Yes. Then u2A abe ngo mama. Ku u2A.
Abantu.
Abefundisi. Aboni mama.
Mfundisi. No.
No, abefundisi. You fuck start.
Okay. Kaloku kakuthiwe kaloku 1 2 don. It's a singular no nantsika.
Ne plural.
Yes. Umntu abantu. Ne?
Yeah.
1 no 2.
Yeah.
Ne? U3.
Umthetho.
And then
we move on to imisebenzi.
Okay. Guys, I'm committing now, but it's like we're gonna have someone to explain this thing.
Yeah, we have to. Because
we're gonna
at
have
this
someone
point,
to
we're
explain
confused.
this thing because we are not doing you
Any justice.
In fact, it's a
Injustice. Ihlelo 16.
Inja. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I almost feel like I should apologize. What chaos is this?
This was a great episode. Watch. People are gonna love it, bro. Oh, come on, bro. It'll be a regular episode.
Sure.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
And please don't forget to get your tickets for the Sibling Live
Absolutely.
with Spotify live sessions. We look forward to seeing you. And is it a nailsy?
Is it? Sometimes.
But we look forward to seeing you, spending some time with you and catching up.
Absolutely. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you there. After we see you there, we'll see you on the next episode. I'm not going to say if we don't see you there, boys, we'll see you there. You know what it is. And right up until that very moment,
don't forget to
love
love
each
each other.